What does it take to be a leading financial solutions provider? It takes a company that understands where the financial marketplace is headed, one that knows how to deliver cutting-edge solutions that your users will love, and one that understands the next generation of mobile-centric consumers. A company like us. We're Cachet Financial Solutions, and we specialize in providing remote deposit capture, or RDC, to financial institutions and service organizations around the world. In fact, we helped pioneer RDC technology back when we entered the financial marketplace and saw that our competitors simply weren't thinking for the future or giving their customers the kind of robust solutions they really wanted. So we did, by successfully enabling powerful, secure RDC solutions, providing more convenience for your users and more value for you. And today, we're still expertly focused on cutting-edge RDC development, taking pride in continually refining what RDC technology can offer, like with RDC Select, our state-of-the-art scalable RDC solutions for banks, credit unions, and other financial organizations. RDC Select solutions are fully hosted, enabling you to bypass the infrastructure and IT staffing costs you deal with today, and designed to work across a wide range of platforms and devices, like Mobile Deposit, our intuitive mobile RDC platform built to let users deposit checks from anywhere, anytime, from any leading mobile device. And Check Review, the industry's first solution for secure, real-time image verification, and many other innovative, expert-designed RDC solutions for both consumers and financial institutions alike. RDC solutions customized to meet your unique needs and backed by Cachet's expert training, implementation, and product marketing services designed to increase your speed to market and ROI. Visit us at CachetFinancial.com today and let Cachet help you unleash the power of RDC.